Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Saturday, July 4th, and we got a great day on tap today. Temperatures currently in the upper 50s to low 60s. We'll be heading towards the low to mid 80s today under plenty of sunshine. A weak dying cold front's going to come through the area, and that could touch off a few showers and thunderstorms mainly across the interior areas of north central lower Michigan. Now looks like it'd be around the Clare, Harrison, or towards West Branch area. But again, probably only about a 10% chance. So most areas will be dry with lots of sunshine and increasing humidities. It'll feel a lot like summer today. And again, we got a great weekend on tap. If we look at the zoomed out area of the Great Lakes, you can see there's some northwest components to the winds across northern Lake Michigan into the UP. Winds out of the southwest across northern lower Michigan. That lets you know that there's probably something going on there across northern Lake Michigan. And if we take a look at the forecast map by 1 o'clock, you can see that area is that cold front that will slowly be moving and washing out, dying as it heads south into the Great Lakes. High pressure system in control over much of the region, and the nearest thunderstorms are well off into the Dakotas, and that's some of the activity that may be heading this way as we get into Monday night and Tuesday on a weaker basis. We expect this low pressure system off in Montana to dig into the plains and then across the Great Lakes. And again, that'll bring us a pretty good shot of showers and thunderstorms, but it'll be progressive and won't hang around as that front slides off to the south. And once again, there's not going to be a lot of cold air behind it, mainly 70s to around 80 for the rest of the week, so a pretty decent weather pattern overall. If we look at the lower level wind fields, you can see some of this activity across the Great Lakes, but you can see it's also very weak, high pressure in control. That clockwise winds around it bring lots of warm air up into the plains, and that'll be the air we see over the next 2 to 3 days. And you can see where all the heavy showers and thunderstorms are occurring and why we're not getting in it. You can see the convergence along that stalled out boundary across the Tennessee Valley. And again, that's where the heaviest showers and thunderstorms will continue to form and move along that boundary, a very similar boundary to what we had here a couple of weeks ago. If we look at the satellite, you can clearly see where the development of showers and thunderstorms are down across the deep south, again, well away from Michigan. And some weaker activity coming south out of Canada. Again, for the most part, won't have a lot of effect. What we will see, again, the system out to the west will be digging into the plains and in towards the Great Lakes Monday night into Tuesday, rather. And you can see from the WPC, the quantitative precipitation forecast over the next 7 days, we are going to start to get some decent moisture again. Actually, here in central Michigan, we can certainly use a good rain. Conditions here are quite dry. And I imagine things are starting to dry out finally a bit down there, hopefully enough for them who are considering to replant. Hopefully we'll have that chance. And if we look at the growing degree days here in Breckenridge compared to the last 20 seasons, we're about in the middle of the pack, and we'll have a nice week where we'll maybe move up just a little bit. But overall, not too bad so far. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great 4th of July, a great weekend, and 73s to all.